Presenting Philips HL7578x00 600 watts turbo juicer mixer grinder. This juicer mixer is made using plastic material and rust-free blades for longer life and safe grinding. This mixer has higher torque density motor which supports efficient juicing. It comes with polished finish type and has turbo power motor, supports maximum extraction of juice from even tough ingredients. This mixer comes with speed settings for juicing and grinding performance. The box contains juicer mixer grinder, Nutri juicer jar, blender jar 1 liter, multipurpose jar 750 milliliters, and warranty card. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping. Presenting Philips Turbo Juicer Mixer Grinder. It is available in the color black. This mixer grinder comes with a powerful 600 watts motor that supports maximum extraction of juice from tough ingredients. It comes with 3+1 pulse speed settings for juicing and grinding performance. The round chute provides easy feeding of fruits and vegetables while the drip-free stop spout gives hassle-free juicing experience. Furthermore, the rust-free blades offer long life and safe grinding. The box contains a juicer mixer grinder, 750 milliliters Nutri juicer jar, 750 milliliters blend and carry jar, 750 milliliters multipurpose jar and a warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping.
Hi everyone, this is Shadi. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Philips HL7579 600 watt turbo juicer mixer grinder. This juicer mixer grinder is powered by a 6 watt turbo motor that can reach up to 16 watt of locked motor wattage. It has a voltage range of 22 to 24 volts and can reach up to 2 RPM. With this juicer mixer grinder, you can make healthy shakes, smoothies, and juices on the go. It has been tested and validated by an external lab to continuously juice 1 kg of fruits. It also has 3+1 pulse speed settings and a drip-free spout, so there's no dripping after juicing. Plus, it's easy to use, just with a twist and lift to unlock. So if you're looking for a powerful and efficient juicer mixer grinder, then the Philips HL7579 Turbo Juicer Mixer Grinder is the perfect choice for you.
When it comes to buying a mixer grinder, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product that suits your culinary needs and provides efficient performance. Mixer grinders are versatile kitchen appliances that combine blending, grinding, and mixing functionalities. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Motor power. The motor is the heart of a mixer grinder. Consider the motor power measured in watts to determine the grinder's performance. Higher wattage ensures efficient grinding and handling tough ingredients. Number of jars. Check the number of jars included with the mixer grinder. Different jars serve various purposes such as wet grinding, Dry grinding, chutney making, and blending. Opt for a model that offers the right combination of jars for your cooking needs. Jar sizes. Consider the sizes of the jars to ensure they meet your family's requirements. Smaller jars are ideal for grinding spices and making chutneys, while larger jars are suitable for blending and grinding larger quantities. Material and build quality. Look for mixer grinders made from durable materials such as stainless steel, which ensures longevity and easy maintenance. High quality materials also prevent corrosion and enhance overall performance. Speed settings. Choose a mixer grinder with multiple speed settings to adjust the grinding speed according to the ingredients being processed. Variable speed options provide better control and prevent overprocessing. Safety features. Safety is crucial in kitchen appliances. Ensure the mixer grinder has safety features like overload protection and locking systems to prevent accidents and motor damage. Noise level. Consider the noise level of the mixer grinder. Look for models with low noise operation to ensure a quieter cooking experience. Ease of cleaning. Opt for a mixer grinder with detachable and easy to clean plates and jars. Dishwasher safe components simplify the cleaning process. By considering these factors, you can choose a mixer grinder that meets your blending and grinding needs, provides efficient performance, and enhances your culinary experience. Happy shopping!